Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Chiliz. On a 7 days time frame chart, Chiliz has finally broken out a very long-term down channel. You can see for the past several months or even years, it was moving inside this channel. Since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this channel. And from the month of June, from here, you can see it found another downtrend line support. And after getting squeezed inside this falling wedge, by the way, it formed another falling wedge pattern within this long-term down channel. And after getting squeezed and after testing this long-term support of 5.5 cents and the support of this falling wedge pattern, the price then geared up and broke out the resistance of this channel. So far, from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 206%, and now it is about to break the next very long-term and major resistance of 16.5 cents that had been previously working as a resistance here, support here, support here, and support here as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. You can see that it has also broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And now Chiliz is breaking out a very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that it has entered the cloud and trying to break it out at the same time. You can see that this conversion line, this blue line, has crossed up this baseline of this Ichimoku cloud. And this cross is formed just below the price. And that is a very, very powerful buying signal. This has happened back here, here, by the way, in the month of here. It must happen in the month of July 2020 when we received this bull cross just below the price line here. After that, we had a price correction, but you can see that the price line started a very, very powerful reversal. And from this low to this high, that was more than 10,000%. Very, very huge rally. Same as like that, I'm expecting that after breaking out this multi-year space resistance of this down channel and after this receiving this bull cross just below the price end between the conversion and the baseline of this Ichimoku cloud. And once it will be able to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud as well, we can expect a very, very massive and long-term rally. And in today's video, we will analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will share the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for render, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 15th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show us how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite massive pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Chiliz. And this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several months or years, since after March 2021, it was moving inside this channel, and from the month of June 2022, it started forming this falling wedge pattern. And you can see during this move, we also tested this quite long-term support of 5.5 cents as well. That was previously working as a resistance here. For 2 weeks, it worked as a resistance. And here for several weeks or months, it has been working as a support. And during this move, we also formed this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This was the left shoulder, this was the head, and this was the right shoulder. And this was the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And now we have broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. We have also broken out this very, very long-term resistance of this very long-term down channel. And now we are also breaking out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, that target can be here. That will be approximately here, exactly at this resistance of 16.5 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance. Previously, it has been working as a resistance here, and support here, and support here for a few weeks. And therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance. If we take a look at the smaller time frame chart on a 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several hours, the price line is making several attempts to break out this resistance of 16.5 cents, but so far it is not able to break it out. But I'm expecting that soon it will break out this resistance, and then we can expect a very, very massive pump up to the next major resistance that is here at 31 cents. That had been previously breaking as a resistance here. And for several weeks or months, it had been breaking as a resistance here, by the way. And again, it can work as a strong resistance. Now, if we take a look at this Ichimoku bearish cloud, then you can see that it is flipped into a bullish cloud. Here you can see that if I zoom this chart out, then you can see that finally it is turned into bullish, into green color. That is a very nice gesture, a bullish gesture. And we have also received this bull cross between the conversion and the baseline. And this bull cross has just formed below the price line. That is a very extreme buying signal. And now this lagging span of this Ichimoku bearish cloud is about to cross up this Ichimoku bearish cloud. That will be another very, very powerful bullish signal on this 7 days time frame chart. Once it was happening here previously when we crossed up this Ichimoku cloud here back in the month of June 2020, then we can see that we had a very, very extreme rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low of March 2020 up till this side, and you can see that was more than 33,000% rally. And after this bull cross, that was just formed below the price line, by the way, that was formed here in the month of July 2020, then it was more than 10,000% pump. And same as like that, we can expect a very, very massive pump. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this huge breakout from this long-term down channel, that is here at the top of this channel. That is approximately at $1. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.